March 1st is observed worldwide as Zero Discrimination Day. Zero Discrimination Day is about one powerful idea. Every human being has the right to live a full, productive life with dignity. No matter who you are, where you come from, or what you believe, your rights matter. This day highlights the importance of inclusion, compassion, peace, and equality. Discrimination can happen because of gender, age, disability, health status, religion, language, or social background. Zero Discrimination Day reminds us that these differences should never limit opportunities or respect. Zero Discrimination Day also encourages people to become informed and to speak up. It supports a global movement of solidarity, where individuals, communities, and institutions work together to end all forms of discrimination and injustice. The theme for this year is "We Stand Together." It emphasizes unity. Real change happens when people support one another, listen with empathy, and stand against discrimination, together, not alone. Standing together means choosing respect over prejudice, understanding over judgment, and kindness over exclusion. Small actions, like inclusive language, fair treatment, and awareness, can create a big impact.